Yes, people, good afternoon, people. You know, it's a boy, Danava65 film from Positive Vibes Media. You don't know me, I'll drop a next banger video again. It's so epic, people. Please go over there and subscribe and share and like, and also tell your friends to subscribe and tell your parents to subscribe and share Danava65 film and YouTube. So, people, stay tuned. It's a next banger video. It's a video about a little about my acting and also a little about my gymnastics. Alright, people, so stay tuned. I'm out.
Yeah.
Because I see she has spit and all of them something there. Me already not have it like that. So here we know. Kara come with her clothes them. You're going to take her. Because she, a woman done with right now. And since a she, and me and she go look you, you know. A she one can look you. You understand me? And me and she up in the legs. So therefore, are you up in here, you go close them with she in the house. Your house, not mine.
Your house not mine. Go on and know.
Are you up in them? So you go close them in a fear house, not mine.
Well, I know me and Danica are going to our house here. I know me preach you, you know.
You say?
I
So which part you put it? So which part you put it? Now, nothing about you. Imagine, after all we
You know, and I'm a pretty, I've been around the block a few times. You know, so this is one of my 5 best experiences in my whole entire life. You know, just the whole experience, you know, being behind the camera, being in front of the camera actually, you know, working with some very